Gets a block. Takes off, and he is gone. Trying to stay upright, and he trips. Absolutely all alone, and he trips. Going to the end zone and ends up carrying it as it is for 80.
For 80 freaking yards, man. He ran it, he tripped, and he went up and he tripped again, and everybody laughed. The whole world laughed at him. And now he's finally getting his sweet, sweet, sweet revenge. This video here is pretty much just to break the ice because of what's going on right now with all cryptos. Keep in mind, this is not just going on with Dogecoin. This is all the cryptocurrencies across the board. Bitcoin, Ethereum, what's the other one? All the other ones, because there's so many of them, and including Dogecoin. If we look at Webull here, let's see, let me pull it up. And we go over here to the customized. They're all pretty much just like down on pretty much the news that this man that everybody made fun of wants to raise the capital gains tax. And that's as simple as it gets. If we go over here to the New York Times, reading here, to offset the costs, Mr. Biden will propose several tax increases he included in his campaign platform that starts with raising to top the marginal income tax and the tax on capital gains. The proceeds of selling an asset like a stock or a boat for people earning more than $1 million. The plan would effectively increase the rate they pay on that income to 39.6% from 20%. So why wouldn't people start panicking, right? Why wouldn't people start like freaking selling? CNBC reporting the same thing. They're saying don't push the sell button. Too late for that, because people do not want to get that massively taxed on any gains for that matter, whether it's short term, less than a year, or even long term, which I'm pretty sure a lot of people in crypto aren't holding it more than a year. Unless you've been holding Bitcoin for like 10 years, and yeah, like if you're one of those people, then yeah, I mean, whatever. But everybody's pretty much pumping and dumping nowadays, right? There's always a new currency being pumped. There's always some new currency being being brought to the masses, being populated into the media, being pushed on Twitter with hashtags and movements. And Dogecoin being one of the massive ones that just, that's been doing that over the last 2 weeks. I mean, it's been getting so much attention. And, people aren't just investing in Dogecoin, right? They're having their portfolios are all across the board on cryptocurrencies and stocks included. People are taking money out of their stocks and they're putting into cryptocurrency because that's where all the money is at right now, right? It's being pumped so much. But then they're like, holy crap, I'm getting taxed on all this stuff. So, I mean, it's kind of like, what's the point at that point, right? If you're giving a little bit less than half of what you're gaining, especially for the people, like it says right here, making over $1 million. So, I mean, that's pretty much what's happening because of this man right here, Joe Biden. I believe that's how it's pronounced, not Joe Biden. There was an interview where he was talking about that, and I think it's Joe Biden. That's a joke again, another thing that break the ice. But I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. Do not panic. You guys aren't the only ones right now who are losing a ton of money. I know I am. When it started hitting down here into like 16, 18 range. I think the lowest was 9. It says 19, but when I was on Robinhood, it said something like 16, even 15 cents. And I was like down a G, and I was like, well, what's the worst that can happen, right? Because, you only lose when you sell. Anyways, that's pretty much what's going on, guys. It's still trending on Twitter, if anything. Let's see. Pretty much here, what is short-term capital gains tax? What is long-term capital gains tax? I'll go ahead and leave this in the description below for you guys. So you guys could figure out what your tax bracket is as far as like taxes and stuff like that. But I mean, here we go. We go on Twitter here. We go on the homepage. Dogecoin's trading at number 8 on politics. So we click right here. Go to latest. Again, the news of Biden to propose capital gains tax 39.6%. To fund all these, pretty much what's been being pumped into the economy, basically to just balance what's been given to everybody. That way, inflation doesn't really happen. And again, like I said, it's still being thrown around on Twitter. I know a lot of people, including this guy right here, Ben Baller. He just recently tweeted that he bought a boatload of Dogecoin, and he's posting stuff about Dogecoin. I think he said he just like ended up buying like 100. Yeah, here we go. Side note: I just copped 100,000 more Dogecoins, and we hodling till I see some planets from my rocket. And a lot of people too. A lot of people are believing in Dogecoin, and like I said in my other video, if you guys haven't seen my other video about that head and shoulder formation, head and shoulder, yeah. Sorry guys, I haven't been sleeping. I haven't even shaved. My hair is crazy. I'm freaking tired because, like you guys, I'm keeping my eye on Dogecoin because we want to make some serious dough. And that's what it's all about. Anyways, guys, thanks again for tuning in. That's pretty much it. What, the whole thing, the whole freaking, sell-off with Dogecoin. Thanks again for watching. I am Tom Trading. If you guys enjoy my content, subscribe to the channel. If you guys like this video, leave it a thumbs up. Leave it a like. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop a question in the comments. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.